my gosh, it's recording. This is a dirty lens.
Okay, the wind's calmed down a little bit.
Well, let's do it. And this is taking a while.
Okay.
Okay, let's do stuff.
All right, here we go, guys. Got a mini Fat Boy.
Do we launch it?
Sure. There we have continuity. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Jeez.
Yeah.
Let me go catch that. No, it went over here. It completely changed its trajectory. It's hot.
Okay.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, ignition.
Whoa. Here it goes.
Where is it?
It's going that way.
This is amazing. I know, I'm gonna wait for this car. It's a student driver. Oh, there it is. Wait. Where's the rest of the rocket? Wait. Oh.
It's getting caught in the wind and getting blown, Tom.
You take this?
Better go get it.
I'm gonna go get it.
It's past that white Hummer, past the white fence.
Okay. Okay, Hummer 2. The worst Hummer ever. The big bitch. Okay, go, go, go. I see it. Awesome. Yep. I hate H2s.
Sorry.
Yep. Okay. We're gonna record?
Yep, you can record it, and then we'll do a countdown. Taking off the cap.
We're gonna launch the X-Wing, which is gonna be scary because I don't know how it's gonna land.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, yeah,
All
you
right,
can see me.
moving clear.
Oh yeah, oh no. Okay.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I can't see.
That's awesome. There it goes. And there is parachute.
I'm not.
It's caught like in a flat spin. Oh, pieces are falling off. There it goes. Oh!
That did not sound good. Oh gosh, yep, Vader definitely attacked.
You know what,
Look at
guys?
the bottom.
Oh, look at that. This might be the end. It
Yeah, we're trying this.
Yeah,
Well,
it works.
we keep saying we're gonna retire the X-Wing, but we never do because it's gotta fly.
that's a new one though.
But yeah, Vader attacked it in the air. That's what he usually does.
That was really
One
cool.
time
It worked.
Vader used the Force and broke the shock cord.
You know what? It clicks right back in. It's good as new.
Hey, yeah. But where are the parts that fell off?
Nothing.
Oh, really?
Didn't lose any parts.
Wow, wow.
The,
We're getting better.
Yeah. Awesome.
Okay, it's time for a brief intermission. We're gonna go to the top of that hill and then we're gonna run down. Yeah. I will be really bad for this Hi, Dad. Really good view. Soccer, football, Dad, our car. That Hummer left. Remember that? I get stung by something. Now we gotta go down. It's gonna be scary. Hopefully my phone doesn't fall out. Sled down. Okay, brief intermission. 5, 4, continuity. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, ignition.
Oh, it's trying so hard. Hey, there's a parachute.
Where is it?
Straight up. Coming back.
I don't see it. Is
It's
it
in the
down?
sun. Don't look at the sun.
I'm not.
It's coming down by the soccer goal.
Oh, I see it.
Very
It has
easy.
a yellow parachute.
Yep.
I didn't know that. Gosh.
Where'd I get it from?
We made this.
Yeah, made
Yeah.
it? How did I make it?
It's mainly cardboard. That's our engine.
Come on. You're a diaper change. There. Go to the car. Open the car.
No, it's just a family.
Oh, okay.
Kids are like, cool. Picks it up and is like, stop touching that. The dad.
Yeah, let them know. Oh, okay. You let them know it's not dangerous. Safe effort land.
They know.
Okay. Good.
I'm just saying no, it's just a model.
Kids know.
They just didn't want us to break it, I guess.
Okay. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Where are you? Oh, oh no! No! Whoa! Oh my gosh! That was scary! Shoot! See that?
Yeah, that took too long.
Look at that
for it
thing.
to come out
Look at
there.
that.
Oh, yeah.
Jacking up the...
Oh, it
Look.
totally shredded the parachute.
That is... Okay, well, we'll have to make a new one. That didn't look right when it went down.
It came down it took way too long to come down.
Yeah, but no,
Maybe the legs
that
too
parachute
long.
did not look good when it came down. I was like, is it just stuck or
It almost
something?
kicked the engine too. See that?
Launcher one with a Q-jet. And I'm gonna put the GoPro right here. Okay, let's do
go.
this.
You want to do it, Tom?
Yeah.
If you think it's recording, go ahead.
Okay, continuity and 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, ignition.
Ooh.
That captured it, but...
It's gotta open.
Oh, no!
Okay, there it goes.
I'm hot. It's going this way. I got it. Oh, I bent over the road, Dad. No, don't fall off the road. Woo! There it is. Perfectly.
Five, four, three, two, one, ignition. See that? Ignition in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that was good. No delay. No nothing. Original Estes motors. We'll catch it. It's ready.
That's beautiful, Tom.
One hand.
Look at that. That's great. Good job.
Okay. Catch bonus.
It's like the wind stopped as soon as that one launched. That was
Yeah.
great.
Catch bonus, great flight. Do you hear this thing with the exhaust? It makes my voice rumble. I don't know why I'm filming using this camera. It's gonna be a very sloppy YouTube video.